Hello everyone. Now I am presenting the capstone project. Here we will here we introduce about computer programming project design to evaluate your understanding and practical application of fundamental programming concepts using Python. For this, we have to we have to learn all this. For this we have to knowledge we should be knowledge about indexing, slicing, operators, inbuilt functions, statements, conditional loops, object oriented programming, and exception handling. In addition, we will our ability to showcase us ability to create custom functions and tackle advanced looping concepts. For this, we should skills about completing this project assessment. We have proficiency in Python programming language, understanding of data types, indexing and slicing in Python. We, we have familiarity. With we should familiarity with operators, inbuilt functions and methods. And we should also have ability to work with statements, indentation and conditionals, competence in implementing loops and iterations including conditional and infinite looping, mastery of creating and utilizing custom functions in Python, knowledge of advanced looping concepts, understanding of object oriented. So, in this, we have to solve so many questions about practical world. So, our first question is about a scoreboard operator. An operator working behind the scoreboard of a inner cohort amateur cricket tournament is responsible for updating the scores and points of each team. However, the operator is currently facing a challenge. Here, operators face currently facing a challenge in this match. In this match, this match this match team is Team London, but it does not possess the necessary programming skills to complete this task. According to the tournament's rules, teams are awarded the following points based on the outcome of a match. Here, they win 3 points, draws 1 point, losses 0 points. Team London has played 8 matches in this tournament. They won 4 matches, lost 3 matches, and drew 1. The operators in need of assistance to calculate the total number of points earned by Team London. As a Python expert adept with knowledge of integer, floats, and boolean, we can help the operator by writing a solution for the following problem. So, we have written here code for solving the problem of operator. So we have written a number of wins, losses and draws for Team London. They wins 4 points, losses 3 and draws 1. Then we have found total calculate points. Total points for finding total points. I have I have calculated all the points by multiplying and adding. Then print total points earned by Team London. Then we have got how much point Team London obtained. So they earned 13 points. Our next question is nutrition bar ingredient chart. Imagine you are a data analyst at a nutrition bar approaches nutrition bar manufacturing company. Your department head approaches you with a question. Your company produces a nutrition bar. Your company is producing nutrition bar. Here, rations contains 45 gram. of nutrition and almonds contain 65 gram and apricots contain 30 gram of nutrition. The head of the manufacturing department wants us to create an ingredient percentage list for the nutrition bar. So here we have to find how much percentage in all this nutrition, all this all these bars. We have to find the percentage of nutrition in all these bars. First, first we have to define the weights of each ingredient. Then calculate the total weight of the bar. Then calculate the percentage of each ingredient. Then print the each ingredient percentage list. Then I have got percentage list. Then I have got percentage list. First is resins. In resins we have got percentage 32.1428 per approximate percent. Almonds 46.4285% approximate. Apricots 21.42% approximate. Then our next question is measuring the accuracy of a disease detection model optional. So we have to find here how many patients. We have to find here accuracy of disease. We have to find here accuracy of the model of disease. So firstly we have to define the number of patients with each disease, then define the number of correctly detected disease, then calculate the total number of patients, then find the total number of correctly detected cases, then calculate the accuracy of the model. Now print model accuracy in percentage. Then I got model accuracy 80%. Then I have to find data types in Python, solving algebra the cool way. Then my question is, we must remember the algebraic equations and functions we came across during our school days. If we do, we also must remember how tedious it was to solve them manually. So consider a quadratic function. We have to find the value of f in bracket x, function x at x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 4. Doing this manually like the old days would be a tedious job, but now we have Python. But now we have Python at our disposal. How would we approach this problem using what we have learned? So here firstly we define the quadratic function def f in bracket x written x square plus 3x minus 4 values of x underscore values equal to 3 minus 2 4. Calculate f in bracket x for each x value, then result equal to f in bracket x, then print then I have got solution of this problem. First f in bracket 3 equal to 14, f in bracket minus 2. Here in bracket I have written the value of x. All these are value of x. First value is 3, f in bracket 3 equal to 14, f in bracket minus 2 equal to minus 6, f in bracket 4 equal to 24. Finding total is in the book cells. In our pursuit of expanding our knowledge of Python, we come across a bookstore in search of books on the subject. Then we meet a salesperson who is also Python enthusiast. The salesperson presents us with a challenge. The salesperson presents us with a challenge. They have a list of 5 books related to Python, and if we can write a program that finds the count of letter E, the store will give us a free book of our choice. So now we ready to accept the challenge, and now I have written list of books Python list of books then function to count the occurrences of E, then I have written code for function to count the occurrence of E, then write the code for calculating the count of E in each book, then I have written code for finding the index of the book with the highest count of E, then print the counts of E in each book, then print the book with the highest count of E, then finally I have given congratulation message. I have given congratulation message. Then I have given congratulation message. Print congratulation. You win a free book of your choice. You win a free book of your choice. So Python programming 0, effective Python. Then I have got I output Python programming 0, effective Python 3, learning Python 1, Python cookbook 0, automate the boring stuff with Python. The book with the most ease is effective Python. Congratulations, you win a free book of your choice. Our next question is unleashing the power of mean in exam analysis. When analyzing exam scores, teachers have the power to unlock valuable insights into their students' performance. By using the mean and median, they can get a clear picture of how the class is doing as a whole, identifying areas where improvement is needed. So here we have to find average score or mean score of class students. So, so for finding mean of a score, first we have to write list of all the students, then calculate the mean of the marks, then then print mean underscore marks. Our next question is John's fruit stand. John's fruit stand sells mix up. We must remember from the previous lessons that dictionaries can be used to store values corresponding to a particular key. But how is this helpful to us? Let's look at this scenario. James owns a quaint little fruit stand that sells mangoes, bananas, apples, and pineapples. One day, with Jim being tied up, he tasked his son John to manage the shop for a day. Being new to the game, John recorded the sales data in an unconventional way. He wrote down the name of each fruit as many times as it was sold, creating a list like this way. But this method is not very efficient or easy to read. Fortunately, we were there at the shop to grab some apples ourselves and we saw what John was doing. We can help him out to structure the data by using dictionaries. How? So look how I have held. So how I held. So how? So look how I held. First I have written sales data recorded by John. First I watched sales data recorded by John, then initialize an empty dictionary to store fruit sales, then count the number of times each fruit appears in the sales data, then print the structure sales data. Then I have got output fruit sales data mango 4, pineapple 6, apple 5, banana 2. Finally, this question has solved. Now indexing and slicing. Imagine that we are a superhero movie buff and we are trying to create a list of the most iconic Marvel characters. We have compiled a list of some of the most popular characters, but we want to narrow it down to the top 6. Here you will hear our list of characters: Marvel underscore words, Avengers, X-Men, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, Thor, Black Widow, Captain America, Wolverine, Doctor Strange, Namor. So first I have written list of Marvel characters, Marvel underscore words, Avengers, X-Men, Spider-Man, so on. Next, then select the top 6 most tiny characters, then print the top 6 characters, and I have got output of all these 6 characters. Now, now write a code to slice these characters from the list. Firstly, list of Marvel characters. Characters, select the last 6 characters, print the last 6 characters. And our next question is, in next question we have to create two teams of superheroes based on their index position. One team should consist of all the characters located at even index positions, while the other team should consist of all the characters located at odd index positions. First, first we have written Marvel characters. Then create a team of superheroes at even index position. Then create a team of superheroes as odd index position. Then print the teams. Then print and team of heroes at odd index. Then finally got the output. Team of superheroes at even index position: Avengers, Spider-Man, Hulk, Black Widow, Wolverine, Namor. Team of superheroes as at odd index position: X-Men, Iron Man, Thor, Captain America, Doctor Strange. Then our next question is, store the word Spider-Man in a new variable and slice the word spider from it. So, so for slicing the word spider from it, firstly we have written store the word Spider-Man in a new variable. Then slice the word spider from it and print the slice word. Then I have got only spider as the output. Now our next question is store the word Iron Man in a variable. We have to store the word Iron Man in a variable and use reverse indexing to reverse it. So I have written code for this. Firstly, firstly firstly we have we have written code for storing. We have written store the word Iron Man into in a variable, then reverse the word using reverse indexing, then print the reversed words.